Hi there, we're here. It is my great pleasure to introduce you to one of my favorite authors ever, Alice Munro, Canadian author who has penned more than 14 books of short stories and one novel. She has won many prizes, including the 2013 Nobel Prize for Literature, specifically for the short story. That has never happened before. Usually it is poets and novelists who get the Nobel Prize. And so this put the short story on the map, and is no longer shunned as a lesser art form. Highbrow people think that the novel and the poem are superior forms, but Alice Munro helped to pave the way for the short story as a veritable and valuable genre of fiction. For your perspective, the two stories that you're going to read, Boys and Girls, was written in 1968, very early career of Alice Munro in her first book of short stories. Manessatung, however, was written in 1990, mid-career, about 6 books later. Just so you have an idea and you can see a perspective of the evolution of this author. Anyway, I hope that you enjoy it. Happy reading, everybody.